Hello, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a Rav4? You found a very clean, low mileage one here. This is the 2017 Rav4 Hybrid. Stock number is 7040A. Let's take a look at the exterior condition and then the interior condition coming up in just a couple seconds. But take notice of the exterior. No dings, no dents, no scrapes, no scratches. Absolutely impeccable condition. This does have the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder motor. And of course, it's 4-wheel drive, so it's excellent in the rain and some of the inclement weather that we get here in the Great Pacific Northwest. This vehicle only has 17,000 miles. Super clean interior, as you can see. Does it come equipped, as you can see, with a moonroof and easy access to your power windows, locks, cruise, tilt, dual climate control, automatic transmission. Super low miles for a Toyota Rav4. She will not last long. Do me a favor, for more information on this vehicle or any others in our inventory, either give us a call, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We look forward to meeting you. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.